Dad, we have a parcel from Audley End House in England.
A parcel? This is in response to that letter I sent to Lord Braybrook. Let's go see what's inside. Well, let's see what's in here. Here's the letter. May 1881, Audley End House, Essex. Dear Mr. Townsend, I hope this letter finds you well and enjoying pleasant weather. Here in Essex, a little north of London, we have suffered heavy rain of late, but look forward to more delicate spring weather. I've been handed a letter from yourself by Lady Braybrook, who has asked that I send you a taste of England. That must be what this is. And in particular, dishes she enjoys here at Audley End House. I've tried my best to send you items that I have read are not commonly eaten or indeed cooked in America. Please find within a fruit cake, often called a plum cake. This cake is much loved by all in England, and the recipe I've used comes from a very special cook, Mr. Francatelli. That is the cook to Queen Victoria, and therefore could be used for any special occasions if properly decorated. I've enclosed some tea, as I believe we're famous for our tea drinking, and lately we have seen an explosion in India teas. Finally, I enclose a seed cake, a plain but popular cake. It's from an old recipe, and I believe in history they coated the caraway seeds in sugar. Today, it is often enjoyed with fortified wine. And I've also included for your reference the recipes for each of these cakes. I hope you enjoy them. If you have a moment to send me a few lines to say that you've received the parcel in good order, I would be grateful. Yours respectfully, Mrs. Crocombe, cook to Lady Braybrook. That is special. And look, there are the recipes. Wow, a package from Essex. What do you think? She said there was a plum cake, a seed cake, and some tea. Obviously, this is the tea. I suppose we should open these up and see what they're like. I'll cut this smaller one open. You open up that. We'll see if they survived the trip. This one is obviously the plum cake or the fruit cake. Looks like it survived the trip quite well. Very beautiful. And that one must be the seed cake.
Yes.
Look at that. That is beautiful.
This smells really good.
Let's open up the tea. It's loose and ready to go in.
Yep.
Smells very nice.
Yes.
All this looks and smells so wonderful. I'll cut into some cake, we'll make some tea, and we'll have a picnic down by the pond. Well, I guess we're gonna give these things a try. Obviously, we've got this beautiful, delicate spring weather they were talking about. Hopefully, in Essex, they've got this nice weather too. I'll pour you a little bit of tea. We've got the seed cake and we've got the plum cake. Let's see how they turned out. So these have been traveling for quite a while over the ocean to us.
Yep.
This one's very good. You can taste all those fruits and nuts. I'll have to check the recipe and find out what sort of nuts they used in this particular recipe. But you can imagine it decorated, maybe for 12th night, they would frost this and have little things put on it.
It's really good.
A very nice tea. Very good. Let's see what happens with the seed cake. Now, this one I'm not sure if it traveled so well. But let me try out a bit. You want to try a little piece from the outside? There you go. Let's try this. You can taste that little caraway seed in there. Nice and sweet. Even the crust on the outer side is good.
Yeah, it's still really, really moist and good, especially after the long trip. The caraway seeds had something that I've never had before.
That food was so wonderful. What do you think, Ivy?
It was really good. We should send them something.
We'll have to put together a letter and some items to send them. I really want to thank the folks at the Audley End House. Everyone, this is so wonderful. Mrs. Crocombe, thank you for this wonderful letter. And if you're interested in English heritage, if you're interested in especially this Audley End House, this is late 19th century, so like 100 years after the things we do. Definitely you want to check out their YouTube channel. They got some wonderful videos for Audley End House and other sites that English Heritage takes care of. So make sure to check out their YouTube channel. I put a link down in the description section, some beautiful videos. And I want to thank everyone out there for coming along with us as we savor these flavors and tastes, in this case, of the late 19th century. Thanks so much for watching.